प्रयत्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ।
So in the last class we studied Dvitiya Tatpurusha Samasa. Did anybody write the example? Good. Tell me one. One.
Okay.
We are very confident about it.
Ratri Atyastaha Ratyastaha. There is a sentence Ravihi Ratyastaha Asti.
Ratyastaha. So what did you mean by that Ratyastaha?
The sun is the one that has passed the night.
Short. Our short. Past. Correct. So Ratryastaha Suryaha. Okay, let me write. Writing is a good practice. But one is just past beyond night. Now we'll go by one by one. Is there anybody who has written about Shrita? What is Shrita?
Ramashritaya Bhaktaya.
No, one word. First.
Ramashrita.
Ramashrita. What is the Vigraha?
Ramam Shritaha.
What is the meaning? Ramam Shrita?
One who has resorted to Rama.
Okay. What is the sentence?
Ramashritaya Bhaktaya Bhojanam Dadatu.
Such a long sentence. Give food to the devotee who is resorted to Rama. Okay. Anybody? Shrita?
Brahmashrita.
Huh?
Brahmashrita.
What is the Vigraha?
Brahmashrita. Because Brahma.
What is the Vigraha I'm asking?
Brahma.
First you tell me, you are telling me Vigraha or you are Samasta Padam?
Vigraha Swamiji.
Okay, tell me, you tell me, what is Samasta Padam? This is Samasta Padam.
The Samasta Padam is Brahmashrita. Brahmam Shrita. Brahmashrita. Both are.
What are saying?
So, only will be Brahma.
What will be the difference?
One will be one pada. And the second one will be two different padas, Brahma and Shrita. And here it will be Brahmashrita.
So you should say like this. Brahma Shritaha Brahmashritaha. Nikhil, you have done Shrita? What is that?
Dharmashrita.
Dharmashritaha. What is the Vigraha?
Dharmam Shrita.
Means what?
One who resorted to Dharma.
Okay. Anybody Shrita? Okay.
Gurum Shrita.
Huh?
Gurum Shrita.
Gurum Shrita.
Guru
Means?
Shrita. One who has resorted to Guru.
Shrita?
Can Shrita be combined with something bad, like Bhoga Shritaha? Can we
Yes,
say?
yes.
Bhoga Shrita.
Bhoga Shrita. Resorted to Bhoga.
Satyam Shritaha.
You have written, you tell me.
Yes.
What you have written?
Satyam Shritaha,
No,
Satyam.
we are seeing it near the chapter. Satya Shrita. Good. Satya, you are Satya Shrita. Satya Shrita means?
One who is resorted to truth.
Correct. Anybody Shrita? If you have written only, don't create. Fast food I don't want. Home food I want.
Shastra Shrita.
Written?
Yes.
Shastra Shrita means?
One who is resorted to Shastra.
Anybody Shrita?
Guru
Huh?
Guru Shrita.
Okay. Okay. You have written?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Ragadveshashritam manaha. Ragadveshashritam manaha.
Also, means what?
The mind which is resorted to likes and dislikes.
What is the meaning of resorted to means what?
Which has got
Means it depending on,
depending on,
relying on.
rely on.
So resorted to is not the word we use very often. So all right. Anybody Shrita?
Devashrita.
Huh?
Devashrita. Devam Shrita. Devashrita.
Devashrita. Devashrita or Devashrita. For Ashrita also we can use the same. Ramashrita also we can say Ramashrita.
Shrita, Jnanam, Samastapadam is Jnana Shrita and the Vigraha is Jnanam Shrita.
Correct. Now we got a chance to say.
I have a question. Ashrita can also be used even though
Yes,
it
yes.
is
I
not
mean, even though it is not mentioned, but it looks like it is used. All right. Now next one is.
Swamiji,
Ah,
the spelling mistake, Swamiji. Ratriatyasta. Atyasta.
oh, sorry. Good. Thank you for pointing out. Ratriyat. What is it? Atyasta. So Ratriyat. Very complicated. Ratriyat. Correct now? Ratryatyasta. That's how you have written? Or you have written like me only? It should be Ratryatyasta. Correct, very good. Alright, next one is Atita. Anybody Atita? Karan.
Samsaratitaha. Samsaram atitaha.
Means what?
One who has gone beyond samsara.
Avastha Trayatita.
Avastha?
Trayatita.
Avastha Trayatita. So what will be the Vigraha?
Avastha Trayam Atita.
Avastha?
Avastha Trayam Atita.
Avastha Trayam Atita. Anybody Atita? Yes, any.
Matuhu Snehaha Apeksha Titaha. The mother's love is beyond
But
expectation.
what you have written, you tell me.
Apeksha Titaha.
Apekshatita. What do you mean by that Apekshatita?
Beyond expectations.
Means what?
Means the person, here in the sentence refers to the mother's love that doesn't expect from a child anything, like doesn't.
Okay. Apekshatita. Beyond expectation. Beyond expectation has got different meaning.
Okay.
Means it It is beyond what one expects. In that sense, here it is to be used. The sense which you are giving, we cannot use. It is beyond expectation. My expectation will be only this much, but mother's love is beyond that. Like you expected 500 rupees and you got 1000, that is called apeksha. You can sit and tell. Only you are the one who is telling.
Samshodhanam atitah. Beyond correction. One who is beyond correction.
Who is that?
Aruna.
Who?
Students.
Which student?
Aruna.
Arunji.
Aruna.
Samshodhanatitah. I think you must have taken help of some dictionary, like
Yes,
Sanskrit English.
Because English I had.
So
many-
I could understand that.
Be specific, Arunji.
But I have done all this, so I know how we do. Samshodhanatitah. Okay, Atita, anybody?
Moham atita,
Huh?
moham atita, mohatita.
Yes. What is yours? Huh? Vachanatita. Mohatita, Vachanatita. Anybody? Atita, Vinay.
Prayers.
You have written
Right. Yes, sir.
what?
Prayers, Atita.
Huh?
Prayers.
Prayers. Beyond prayers. Generally, what do we mean by prayers? We should convey something, no? So, I mean, word-wise you are right. Prayer. It should not be. What will be the final compound? Will be what?
Prayers. Prayers, Atita.
Prayasatita. Okay, now a good exercise for all of you who have done. All of you have studied Sandhi, no? So now I will see how you have studied. Okay, one who knows should raise the hand, don't tell. What will be the Sandhi between these two? What will be the final form? Does anybody know?
Prayotita.
Prayotita, correct. So Sasajushoho, Ru and all these put together will be Prayotita. This avagra is not required, I am just putting it for our understanding. Prayotita. Alright. Now Atita all over.
Panchakoshatita.
Panchakoshatita.
Abhayatita.
Huh?
Abhayatita. Abhayatita.
Abhayatita. What is Abhayatita? Beyond fearless what? Nothing is there beyond fearless. You said Bhayatita, you should say.
Abhayatita.
If you say Abhayatita means it's like a Turiyatita. Turiya means beyond. That Turiya Atma is beyond all three Atma. Then somebody said Turiyatita.
So I thought here is Abhaya. Here is Bhaya.
Fear is Bhaya.
Abhayatita.
Can we say Vidyatita?
Huh?
Vidyatita, Vidyatita.
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 Okay, we can say Vidyatita means beyond injunction. Kaha Vidyatita?
Jnani.
Jnani Vidyatita. Anybody Atita? Otherwise we go Atita.
Vyathatita.
Huh?
Vyathatita.
Vyathatita. Yes. Beyond pain. Vyathatita. Vyathatita. Alright. Anybody Atita? Over. You have written?
Gunatita.
Huh?
Gunatita.
You have written, no?
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay, then okay. Because don't produce here.
No, 4,
because
5,
you can
I-
produce any number.
I wrote 4, 5.
We are a dining hall in charge, no? So, Gunatita. Alright, then anybody Atita? You have written? Tell me.
Trilokam atita.
Huh?
Trilokam Trilokam Atita.
Trilokam Atita Kaha.
The
What will be the Samasta Padam?
Trilokatita.
Huh?
No, I've written Trikalam Atita.
Here become Trikala Atita, so that you could not see.
Trikalam Atita, Trikalatita.
Trikala
Trikalatita. Trikalatita.
Kaha.
Paramatma.
Trikala Tita. Okay. Anybody Atita?
Shabdam Atita.
Huh?
Shabdam Atita. Shabdatita.
Shabdatita. Alright. Atita, shall we go Atita now?
Patita.
No, Patita. Alright, Atita. Good. All of you have done well. Now Patita, let us.
Let us all.
From Atita we go to Patita. In Hindi, Patita means, you know, I think Patita is a papaya ice cream.
Papita.
Papita.
Papita. But our Hindi person is there, so no problem. Okay, so anybody Patita will start from here. What?
Bhuloka Patita.
Bhuloka
Patita.
Patita ka.
Ganga Devaloka Bhuloka Patita Asti.
Bhulokam. I am not sure whether we can use this because it generally Patita has got this sense of into. But still, is a Bhuloka also, it went inside also. So Bhulokam Patita Ganga. Okay. So Bhuloka Patita. Okay. Anybody this slide? Patita, 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 Patita.
Nityacharam Patitaha.
Nityacharam. Okay. Nityachara Patita. Okay. Patita or Patitaha? What is correct?
Nityacharam
What you have written?
in a sentence.
No, word.
The word Nityachara Patitaha.
Patita. Nitya?
Nityachara Patitaha.
Nityachara Patita. Okay. So Patitaha is correct or Patita will be correct?
Patitaha.
Huh? Patita, if it is written, is wrong. Wrong?
No, it's Patitaha.
No, Patita, if it is written, Patita. If somebody is right, Nityacharam Patita.
Depends on the subject.
So, is it
can
right
be
or wrong?
It can be right.
I wanted to know it. Okay, here. Patita, Patita. Huh?
Bhakti Patita.
Huh?
Bhakti Patita.
Bhakti.
Falling to devotion.
That we don't use, you don't go into. Fallen into. Okay, this one is over. Second, Patita.
Dukkha Patita.
Dukkha Patita. Okay.
Rinam Patitaha.
Huh?
Rinapatitaha. Fallen into debt.
Okay.
The Vigraha would be Rinam Patita.
So, Samasta is?
Samasta is Rinam Patita.
In Bhakti, we don't fall, no? We rise up. Anybody Patita?
Adharmam Patitaha. Adharma Patitaha.
Okay. Anybody dislike your written? What? Huh? Chitra? Nidrapata. That's very good. Nidrapata. Very appropriate word. Sanskrit class, that is a... Okay, anyway, this line,
Papayoni Patita.
Papayori Patita. Means what?
Fallen into sinful births.
Yeah, we have to use something word like this. They've fallen into the birth caused by Papa. Okay, anybody here? Patita?
Mohapatitah.
Huh?
Mohapatitah.
Okay, Moha Patita. Anybody this line? Ah.
Vipatti patita.
Huh?
Fallen into danger. Vipatti patita.
Vipatti Patita. That's okay. Anybody here? Patita, Patita?
Sagar Patita.
You have written?
Sagar Patita.
Or, eh?
Sagar Patita.
Sagar Patita. Okay. Sagar Patita. Okay. So all of you have done well. Okay. Patita. Then Atyastaha. Already we have done Atyastaha. Anybody have done Atyastha? This line? Ah.
Maryada Atyasta.
Ah. Yeah. Gone beyond the limit. Maryada Atyastaha. So, Maryada Atyastaha. What is the sentence?
Rameण Maryadatyastah Ravanah Hatah.
रामेण मर्यादात्यस्तः रावणः हतः. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? What is the meaning, Varna?
Can you repeat the sentence?
No. What is the meaning? Nikhilesh.
Ravana, who crossed the limit, crossed the Maryada, was killed
English,
by
English.
was killed by Ram.
Again?
Ravana, who crossed the Maryada or the
Limit.
boundary limit, was killed by Ram.
Be alert. Maryadatyastah Ravanah Ramena Hatah. Okay, Atyastha, anybody?
Pitaratyastha.
You please read and tell me.
Pitaratyastha. Pitaram Atyastha. One who has crossed beyond
So what will be what?
the Samasapadam will be Pitaratyastha.
Pitratyastah.
Pitratyastha.
Pitratyastah. Pitratyastah.
Pitratyastha.
Okay, let us see. Like tongue twisting will be like Rastyasthah we did not. Generally we don't cross. What do you mean by cross, father?
Like in the sentence I have used is Ganite Vishaye Ramaha Pitratyastha Asti.
Yeah, it's a figurative sense, okay. Pitaram. Generally we don't make such usage, but anyway. So Pitru Atyastaha will be Pitratyastha. Here which sandhi is applied? Plus a.
Yeah.
Huh? Huh? Yan sandhi, correct. Yan sandhi. Alright. Atyastha, anybody?
Setu Atyastaha. Setu Vatyastaha.
Setpatyastha. Means what?
One who crossed the bridge.
Cross the bridge. Okay. Atyastha.
Tarangam Atyastha.
We have already done that.
Jivatvatyastah. Jivatvatyastah. Jivatvatyastah.
Jivatvatyastha. Vedantic example. Jivatvatyastha. Means what? Jivatvatyastha means what?
The one who passed the individuality.
Jivatvatyastha. Okay, this line. Tyastha.
Dharma Dharmatyastah. Dharma Dharmatyastah.
Okay. Anybody? Tyastha?
Megam Atyastah. Megam.
Vegatyastha.
Megam clouds.
Megatyastha. Means what?
One was crossed the clouds.
Means what? How do you visualize this?
Flying.
Huh?
Someone flying.
Okay, good. Atyastha, anybody remaining?
Vayam,
Huh?
Vayavyatyastha.
Vaivatyastha
Vayu Atyastha.
means what?
The Upagraha went beyond the
Air.
atmosphere.
Ah, okay. Very good. I have one more tongue twisting word. Vaivatyastha. How will you write?
Vayu atyasta, vayu, vayu
When Vayu comes, generally like so many times it happens like that, Vayu Shakla. Be Vaivatyastha. Vaivatyastha.
atyasta.
Huh? Vaivatyastha. 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 Alright, Atyastha. So we can go Atyastha.
Yamatyastha.
One more?
Yamatyastha.
Huh?
Yamatyastha.
Yama.
Gone beyond Mrityu.
So Mrityastha. That will be more difficult. Yamatyastha is better. I will do the Mrityastha. Let us do it. Why should we be afraid of it now? We are going beyond, then why should we be afraid?
Going beyond.
Please everybody write Mrityu Atyastha. Everybody please write. Mritya Atyastha. And everybody try to pronounce. Let us pronounce. How? Mrityatyastha. How?
Mrityatyastha.
Must be right. Mrityatyastha. Alright. Atyastha is over. Next one. If you go like this, I think for every topic we require 2 classes. But I think it's okay, no? Are you okay with this? Prapta. Anybody Prapta here? Prapta? Huh?
Punya Prapta.
Punya Prapta. You have written Prapta? Huh? Sukha Prapta. Prapta. You have done any work or not?
Yes, Guruji.
What Prapta not there?
It's there. Guru Prapta.
Means what?
One who has attained Guru.
Prapta? Anybody?
Moksha praptaha.
Huh?
Moksha praptaha.
Huh?
Buddhi Prapta. Buddhi Prapta. Shanti Prapta.
Huh?
Shanti Prapta.
Santi?
Shanti. Peace.
Shanti.
Shanti.
You should say Shanti.
Shanti Prapta.
Shanti Prapta. Any Prapta here? Huh?
Dhyaya Prapta.
Dhyaya Prapta. Dhyaya Prapta means what? Dhyaya Prapta means what?
Attain goal. I've written for Gata Swami.
Huh?
I didn't write for Prapta. Gata.
No problem. No problem.
Lakshya Prapta.
Lakshya Prapta. Okay. Anybody here Prapta? Anything Prapta?
Ananda prapta.
Ananda Prapta. Anybody Prapta here?
Bhojanam Prapta.
What will be the Samas Pada?
Bhojana Prapta.
Huh?
Bhojana Prapta.
Bhojanam Prapta. Good. Now you go to write Chayam Prapta.
Ajnana Nasha Prapta. Ajnana Nasha Prapta.
What is the Vigraha?
Ajnana Nasham Prapta.
Ajnana Nasha Prapta. Means what?
One word attained.
Huh?
One word attained.
Yes. Ajnana Nasha Prapta. Okay. Prapta is over. Next one. Aparna we are done, no? Aparna?
Gata
Not
is
done?
Gata.
Gata Swami.
Done, no? Not done?
No.
Huh?
Homework it was given.
No, but Aparna, we did not do in the class. Let us do it.
How many Gata is remaining?
Huh?
Gata we have done in the class. Gami and
Okay, Gata also, I had asked for Gata. Gata?
Gruha Gata.
So what is the Vigraha?
Gruham Gataha.
Okay. Gatah? Okay.
Sadguru Gataha.
Huh?
Sadguru Gataha.
What is the vigraha?
Sadguru Gataha.
You should say both. Gatah in this.
Chandragata.
Huh?
Chandragataha. I said.
Chandra Gatah. What is the vigraha?
Chandragataha.
Samsara Paragataha.
Samsara?
Paragataha.
Samsara Paragataha. Okay.
Gurukula
Gurukula Gatah. Okay, what is the vigraha?
Gurukulam Gata.
Vanagataha.
Huh?
Vanagataha.
Vanagataha. This. Huh?
Nagaram Gatava, Nagaragataha.
Anybody?
स्वर्गम गतः स्वर्ग गतः
अच्छा वो आप वेदांतियों के स्वर्ग चले गए So okay, Nagaram, Swargam Gata. Anybody here Gata? Anywhere Gata?
Antariksha.
Kalam Gataha.
Huh?
Kalam Gataha.
Means what?
Kala Gataha. Time passes.
Time passed?
Time is going.
No, that is not the meaning. Kalam Gata can be done, but Kala Gata doesn't mean time going. Huh? Kalam Gata means one died. One who attained time. Kala means Mrityu. So Mrityum Gata ityartha. In Mahabharata it comes. Kala Dharmatvam Gataha, etc. Alright, so Gata is Gata. Now, what is Agata? Apannam Agata. What is the difference between Gata and Agata? Eh?
Gata is gone, Agata is coming.
So what is the meaning of Gatam? Gataha iti Gatam. And Apannam iti Agatam. Means what? Huh? Karun, what?
Gataha is in sense of go, and Apannam is in the sense of attaining and coming.
In this context, what is the meaning?
Attaining.
Gatam iti Gatam. Apannam iti Agatam. What is the meaning?
Past is gone.
Huh?
In the sense of past is gone. That which is gone is Gata.
Karan.
Gataha, the usage of Gataha is gone, and now the usage of Apannaha has come.
You said the word.
Word.
So word Gata is gone, now Apanna word is come. That's because I said this, but I said what people understood or not. That's what I asked. So you need to be very, very sharp to understand certain, subtle nuances. Okay. Apanna. Okay, up to this we have seen now all homework done. Okay, now Apanna. Apanna means prapta. Prapta and Apanna both have same meaning. So, Samshayam Apannaha means a person who has attained doubt. What will be the samasta padam? Samshaya pannaha. Which sandhi is applied here? Samshaya pannaha means one who has attained doubts. Generally we say got, one who has got doubt. How will you use this in sentence? Anybody can use this in sentence?
Samshaya pannaha guru gacchati.
Huh?
Samshaya pannaha gurum gacchati.
Very good sentence. What is the meaning? Samshaya pannaha gurum gacchati. Can anybody tell the meaning?
One who approaches to the Guru who is one who attains doubt.
What
By
goes
going
to
to
Guru, one
Guru,
is
you will
joking.
attain down my God. Ushaji.
When there is any doubt, I go to the book.
मैं आप भावार्थ बहुत अच्छा करते हैं, भावार्थ बहुत अच्छा करते हैं, लेकिन तुमको शब्दार्थ चाहिए. हाँ.
One who has got doubt goes to the Guru.
One who has got doubt goes to the Guru. Clear? One who has got doubt goes to the Guru.
We can have Shishya also.
Huh?
Shishya.
हाँ. संशयापन्नः शिष्यः गुरुं गच्छति. Okay. Now next one. Gami. Gami. Another one. Gami. This is based on Vartika. Have you been taught what is Vartika and all this? Have you been taught? What is Vartika?
It's like extra. It's not a sutra, but it's added to the sutra, like a commentary.
It is a commentary written by what is called Katyayana. Katyayana, I think Katyayana.
Vararuchi or
Vararuchi.
Katyayana.
Both names, हाँ Vararuchi. So Katyayana or Vararuchi, who has written additional commentary. So this Gami is coming from that. So far what we studied now, that is based on the sutra Vitiya Shritatita Patita Gatatyasta Prapta Pannehi. It is 2.1.24. So based on that sutra we studied. Now Vartika is adding. He says Gamyadinam Upasankhyanam. Vartika is there. Means Gami etc. also should be optionally added. So Gramam Gami. So Gami was not included by Panini. So Vararuchi is always searching that where Panini is incomplete. So he said this also should be added. Gamyadinam Upasankhyanam. But that Patanjali Rishi will come, generally what he does, he will protect Panini. And he said Panini has not said verbally, but by using other sutra, he has indicated this. So that is how Panini will be protected in many places. Alright. Gramam Gami. Gami means the one who is going to, or one who intends to go. Or one who is going. Going to go. Going to go means one who is to go. Okay, we say one who is to go. In English we say one who is to go. In English we say he is going in the sense of future. He is going to drink. He is going to see. It has got the sense of future. So Gami means one who is going to go. Like we say, Rajesh, Bhojanalayam Gami. Bhojanalayam means dining hall. So, Rajesh Bhojanalaya Gami. Whether others go or not, but he will go. So that is called Gami. Gami means not going now. We don't use the word Gami, one who has already gone. Gami means one who is going to go. That is called Gami. So Gramam Gami means what? One who is going to visit the village. Okay? Grama Gami. You can say Bhojanalaya Gami, Moksha Gami also you can say. Moksha Gami means one who is going to get moksha. But according to Vedanta, you are already Moksha gataha, already gataha. Alright. Gramam gami, vanam gami, devalayam gami, huh? Griham gami. Really? पंचादश दिनांके सह गृहम गमी और गृह गमी. What is the meaning of पंचादश दिनांके गृहम गमी? Huh? On 15th, this person is going to go to his place. Gramam gami. Alright, clear? And another word, similar word is gami. Gramam, gami also. Same meaning is that. Gramam gami, grama gami. Grama gami means same thing, one who is going to go to the village. So bhavi gamanavan, one who is bhavi gamanavan is called gami. One who is endowed with the act of future going. One who is having the act, but it is a future act. Or one who has intention of going in future. That is called gami. Gramam gami, gama gami. So anything you can say.
Can you also use this for words like avidya, gami, or only places?
No, anything. Anything. But it should be going. I mean, there should be either physical or figurative going should be there. Samshaya gami, he will have doubt. But Samshaya gami we generally don't say. Nobody intends to have doubt. So gami, you can say Jnana gami. One who is going to get knowledge. Jnana gami you can say. Alright. Oh, we cut to here. So next time you can write Apanna, Gami and Gami, one example. Okay, 3 examples.